Ansible Lightspeed. This is the newest generative AI for Ansible. So technically is a technology preview and the full name is Ansible Lightspeed with IBM Watson Code Assistant. This was presented at the latest Red Hat Summit 2023 that included also Ansible Fest. It was a great event hosted in Boston, USA, but we probably heard before about this technology because it was called Project Wisdom and was announced on the previous Red Hat Ansible Fest on 2022. This was a closed beta just 1 month before, and I had the opportunity to test it out. I really like this PR because it exemplifies exactly what it is. So generative AI are spread worldwide, and we probably are familiar with the latest ChatGPT or the latest Google Bard technologies. So basically, if you missed something, these are like a generic AI that we can interact like a chat box, and they create for us some output that we can use in our day journey. The biggest problem of this, let's say, generic AI is that they create some code that is like a generally purpose and they are not specific to one language. So the difference between Ansible Lightspeed, that is one of the main strengths, is that it was created exactly for Ansible. And also I believe that this is part of a strategy of Red Hat to also improving the AI of OpenShift. So I had the opportunity to test it out 1 month before in a closed beta, and I was really impressed by the result. Let me show you how it works. Get ready for this small demo. Welcome to my VS Code editor. As you can see, this is the latest release available at the moment. So one thing that is important is actually to search for the Ansible extension, and it will be the first available on the line. It is directly by Red Hat. This is version 2.2.69 and simply hit installing. We can even switch to the pre-release version, which might have some glitch, but that is the latest 2.2.70, as you can see. Now let me reload the editor. Yes, here we go. And as you can see, there is a new button called Ansible down below. But now let's take a look on the setting and search for Lightspeed. Okay, I already enabled this setting, but as you can see, there are 3 options related to Ansible Lightspeed. One is to enable actually Lightspeed, the URL of a server where to retrieve the suggestion for our playbook, and how to enable the coding line. Cool, everything is sorted out. Now I need only to connect my GitHub user, and this is where I get stuck. Probably is not available for everybody at the moment. So I was in the early beta and I was able to actually connect my user without any problem. So let me wait for the next release, and this is where most of people get stuck. After connecting the GitHub, your GitHub in your editor, you will be able to type everything that you want and get the code assistant help you in this process. Lucky me, I have some recording on my previous beta, so I can showcase the concept how Ansible Lightspeed works. So this is a simple playbook named Ansible AI on the target host all. Now let's go to the meaty part on the task list. So let's suppose we write a task named test connection. We are expecting some suggestion. Here we are. As you can see, the gray area was a suggestion directly by the Ansible Lightspeed, and it correctly picked up the ansible.builtin.ping module. Yeah, we need just to adjust the indentation that makes sense. Now let's type something else, like for example install Apache 2 package, and we're expecting another prediction. As you can see, there is a little round on the left right corner, and we got exactly what we were supposed to find out. Using Ansible built-in packages, the Apache 2 on the state latest was installed. Let me check it out. That Ansible distribution is Debian-like. As you probably know, the Apache web server has a different package name on the Red Hat-like system. Let me adjust the single quote, and here we are. Thank you, Matthew Jones, for pointing out that generative AI created by Ansible Lightspeed is actually a different product than the generic one that we saw in the ChatGPT. As you can see, this model gives like real-life prediction directly in your development environment via the VS Code plugin and superpowered by the Ansible lint. I think this is the right direction, and I wonder how it could combine with event-driven Ansible to even superpower our automation and create a self-healing infrastructure. So thank you so much. This was one of the key elements of the Red Hat Summit 2023, as well also Ansible Fest. Thank you for watching. Have a great automation day, and let's automate more and have a great, amazing journey. Cheers!